We are ready with the Python script that connects to the database, but we are not ready with the database yet. And that's what we are going to do in this lecture. We will create a new database in the Postgres server. We will also learn what is the difference between the server, database, schemas, and tables in Postgres. Let's just understand the hierarchy of things. We have a PostgreSQL server. Under that, we have the databases, under which we create schemas, and within that, we have the tables. The PostgreSQL server is like a building. A database is like a room inside that building. The schemas are cabinets inside that room, and tables are folders that are kept inside the cabinet. When we create a database, we are preparing a new room to store all our future data. We will use the pgAdmin tool to create our database. We can also write SQL to create the database, but pgAdmin is a great way to start for beginners. Open pgAdmin by typing pgAdmin in the start menu or by clicking the shortcut. It might ask you for the master password. You have to give the same password which you gave it during the installation. Now your pgAdmin is open and we are ready to go. On the left hand side, you will see servers. Click the drop down arrow. You will find one server or list of servers. In my case, I have two database servers installed in this machine, version 12 and version 17. So right click the server which you want to connect to. In the menu that drops down, click connect server. You will be prompted to enter the password again. Enter the password and click OK. You will get connected to the server. As you could see here, the PostgreSQL 12 is not connected. We have a red cross on the top of it. And PostgreSQL 17 is connected. We have an elephant face. So this marks that the database is connected. Let's click this drop down arrow and look into how the things are organized here in the Postgres server. So we have the databases here. We have 4 databases: Escapade, PMS, Postgres, and TrainingDB. Let's click one of the databases here, the TrainingDB. As we drop down, we can see so many things, and we have got schemas. And we will drop down the schema, and we can see a public schema. Under that, a lot of objects are there, and one of the object is table. As we click the drop down in the table, we can see a lot of tables created. We have the server. Under the server, we have the database. Under the database, we have the schema. And under the schema, we have all the tables. And this is what we are also going to do. We will create our own database now. To create the database, right-click the server. Select the create option. And then choose database. So we have to give the name for the database. Let's say studentDB. The owner by default is PostgreSQL. So we will keep it as it is. And if you want to have any comment, you can add it. Otherwise, just click save. Now let's expand the databases and we can see the studentDB created. So this is the database in which we are going to create all the tables. And as we could see, under this database, we have schema. So whenever we create a new database, PostgreSQL creates a default schema called public. And under this schema, we have the tables. And we have not created any tables, so this is empty. In the subsequent lectures, we will see how to create tables. In this lecture, you have learned how to create the PostgreSQL database, the studentDB. You now understand the difference between the server, database, schema, and tables. This database, the studentDB which we created, will be used throughout this course to connect from the Python script to build the tables, insert data, and write queries. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. I would love to hear from you, your thought on this tutorial. Please leave your comments at the bottom. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching and see you again soon.